Well, good morning. We are on our last morning leave today. Oh, it's so. Where are we going next? Let's go. It went so fast. You come in 10 days and boom, it's done. But wow, what a view. Waking up to this has been amazing. Last night, I wanted to catch you up real quick. We went to a place called La Esquina. It is right around the corner from this Airbnb, and it was awesome. It tasted like the food was excellent, the portion size was excellent, and it was extremely reasonably priced. And it's right around the corner from the Malecon, almost right into downtown. And then we came back, and here we are now, packing up and ready to go. We decided to order the same taxi service that brought us here. It is a little bit more expensive, I'm not gonna lie, but I've been having a lot of service issues with my phone. And so it's going to be a little difficult to do an Airbnb because I may not be able to get connection and things like that. So we decided to do this. Our host also offered to drive us to the airport. And while I speak quite a bit of Spanish, her Spanish is on a whole other level than mine, and she doesn't speak any English. So it would have made for a very uncomfortable ride for an hour and a half. So we decided just to go back with the tour. I didn't want to inconvenience her either. It was very sweet of her to offer to take us. But we just decided that this would be a little bit more straightforward. So they will be picking us up right out there on the street at 11:30 this morning. And she'll be coming by somewhere between 10:45, 11 to collect the keys, to the walkthrough and everything like that. So we'll have to kind of hang out by the street corner for a little while until our ride comes. But we figured that was easier than having her, run late or anything like that. We wanted to make sure that we were all on time. So far, everything looks good for our flight, on time and everything. So knock wood, that keeps on going. And then we fly through Miami again. So, it's been a wonderful trip. I cannot express how much I've enjoyed Dominican Republic and this great city of Puerto Plata. I would definitely recommend it to anybody looking to come to the Dominican Republic. This is a great area of the country. Very safe, very beautiful, kind of the perfect mix between a Caribbean island and a city. So definitely recommend this in the future. I'm going to have my coffee and breakfast now. I'll catch up with you throughout the day. We left out. We are here in Santiago, and we didn't even realize there was a lounge here. And here we are in a lounge. It definitely helps. We got a little extra early, about 2.5 hours before our boarding. So we had extra time to kill and thought we were just going to have to sit at the gate. And to our surprise, we get upstairs and look at that. There is a priority pass lounge. So excited.
If you'd like help booking your own fabulous adventure to the Dominican Republic or anywhere in the world, go to the description and click the link, Let's Connect. I look forward to helping you explore the world on your terms. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Until next time, travel safe. Where are we going next? Let's go.